Hi, welcome once again to this tutorial on SwiftCloud ERP personnel and payroll management software. Your all-in-one solution for managing employee records, attendance, payroll processing, statutory deduction, and HR operations with ease. In this video of SwiftCloud ERP, we'll walk you through the key features of the system and show you how to efficiently manage your workforce from a single platform. So on this software, you can easily manage your personnel records and also make your salary payment at the end of each month. To be able to do that, you first of all need to go to HR module. You can see HR by the left. So by clicking on team, you can see your staff members. You can see every employee that you have in this organization. But to be able to make payments, you need to first of all get some settings done. So let me walk you through the process. You go to HR, you go to HR settings. There are four key things you need to pay attention to. They include the category setting, department setting, designation, and lastly, the grading. So for the categories, you can see we already have all staff and permanent staff. So you can work on it based on your own organization settings. Then you fix the department and the designation. But the most important part of this setting involves the grading. Click on the grading. Okay, so you can see we already have management staff grade level here. So let's click on it. So from here, you can add your deductions and benefits. Like if you can see my screen now, you see that this one has already been set up. We have basic salary as 60% of gross. We have transportation allowance as 20% of gross. We have housing allowance as 20% of gross. You can also set up additional settings. You can also add up additional percentage. You can see add deductions or benefits. So by clicking on it, you get this form to fill. You can see we have basic, we have transportation, we have housing, pension, NHF, employer, earning deduction. So you just pick it and make sure you set it up. But at the end of the day, everything has to tally up to 100%. So once you've done this, the next step is to go to staff steps. So these staff steps deals with the amount that the employees will be collecting. If you can see, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. 6 steps here, yes, 6 steps. So let me just show you how to fill the form. You can add a new step by clicking on this. So once you click on this, you just click on the step, you name it whatever you want to. So let's say G dash 100k as the step level. So let's assume that this person earns 100,000 naira every month, which will give us a total of 1.2 million at the end of the year. Your annual tax is optional. The order of presentation, let's say we want it to be number 1, then we create. So if you click on the staff steps, you can see G100k as 1.2. So okay, I think we already have 100,000 here, so let's just delete this one. Then let's create a new staff based on this salary grade. So let's go to HR, then team, and create a new team member. So let's give him a random staff number. His name, let's say Gideon. Other name, Grace. Okay, department, let's place him on account, accountant, staff category, let's say all staff. Okay, so you can see the grade level now. We have 100k, 150k experience. So let's go with the 100k. Then date of birth, blood group, phone number, email, g at com. Abuja for the address. So you can also add the person's account number, get the employee's account number and impute it here. Date of employment, okay, percentage of sales, let's leave it at 0. So at this point, let's create this employee. Okay, emergency number and create. Okay, so now the employee has been created. We'll go to part 2 of this video and see how the payroll works. Thank you.